When we talk about great audio, it's not just about crystal clear sound anymore, is it? It's about a flawless experience.
So what's that broken solution? It's the human ear. Yep, for most manufacturers, that's the first line of defense. But here's the crazy thing. What if your most trusted tool is actually your biggest liability?
So what's the fix? Well, we need the best of both worlds, don't we? The answer? It's an AI that listens.
All right, so how does this AI actually learn to listen? You don't have to spend ages teaching it what every single bad sound is. Instead, it only learns from perfect examples. Here's how it works. First, it takes the sound wave and converts it into what's called a spectrogram. Think of it as a picture of the sound. Then, because the AI only knows what a perfect sound picture looks like, it tries to reconstruct the one it's analyzing. Now, if there's a problem, a little click or a pop, the AI can't reconstruct that part perfectly. And that tiny difference? Boom, that's the red flag.